What's up, Guy Charles here. The Core i9-14900KS, Intel's latest desktop processor, is about to be revealed, marking the final high-end CPU for the LGA1700 platform, and the last desktop CPU to utilize the old naming schema. We covered this processor extensively over the course of the last few weeks, mainly because this processor has been shipping to distributors and overclockers for quite some time. This launch is no secret to anyone, especially considering that the company already launched 12,900KS and 13,900KS for the previous series. As we have learned, the Core i9-14900KS is now set to launch on March 14th, exactly 4 days from now. Here's a breakdown of previous KS Special Edition releases. Intel KS SKUs for LGA1700 platform. Core i9-12900KS 16 cores up to 5.5 GHz, launched April 5, 2022. Core i9-13900KS 24 cores up to 6.0 GHz, launched January 12, 2023. Core i9-14900KS 24 cores up to 6.2 GHz, launches March 14, 2024. As said, the LGA1700 platform is effectively being phased out by the end of this year, as Intel is poised to introduce the LGA1851 socket, a new chipset, and new desktop CPUs from the Arrow Lake series. This major shift in the company's product offering also means that LGA1700 is not expected to get any major updates later. Well, maybe except for the alleged Bartlett test series, which is not confirmed yet. And I've been noticing something a lot of you who are watching haven't hit that subscribe button yet. You're going to be a part of our growing community. So if you enjoy the content, let's make it official. Hit that subscribe button right now. The Core i9-14900KS is a minor update to the existing i9-14900K. One is looking at 24-core and 32 threads configuration based on 8P cores and 16E cores. The CPU is now expected to hit 6.2 GHz on 2 cores, but it may need a lot of voltage to do that, and 150 watts default DDP. Intel has not yet confirmed pricing for its 14900KS, but the past 2 releases had the same MSRP of $739, so this model should be no different. Core i9-14900KS pulls up to 432 watts of power in Y-Cruncher. Core i9-14900KS isn't out yet, but it's already been deleted. Intel has always had a problem with leaks featuring their new desktop CPUs. The new Core i9-14900KS Special Edition is not an exception. The processor has already been seen at retailers, in overclockers' hands, and apparently it has now been deleted, all while the CPU has not even been announced yet. This processor is designed for enthusiasts and overclockers who will be putting the processor to some very extensive testing. That's exactly this happened in this case. This leak comes from the same person that shared the very first photographs of the new processor. A member of overclock forums Pactanov has now taken the CPU for thermal testing with stock IHS, integrated heat spreader, and with the CPU delidded and reapplied with new liquid metal solution. 14,900KS delidding temperature difference, 5.9 GHz P cores. Cinebench stock IHS 85 degrees Celsius, 376 watts. Cinebench delidd 75 degrees Celsius, 366 watts. Y-Cruncher stock IHS 89 degrees Celsius, 432 watts. Y-Cruncher delidd 82 degrees Celsius, 409 watts. As the results have shown, the temperature has dropped from 7 to 10 degrees Celsius depending on a test. At the same time, users report a 10 to 23 drop in wattage, which is a direct result of lower temperatures. According to the author, the system uses a Deepcool LS720 cell liquid cooler with 360 mm radiator. The Core i9-14900KS is now scheduled to launch on March 14th. and we expect reviewers and overclockers to share their results at that time. Intel is yet to confirm pricing for its new processor, but as we have already observed with past special edition launches, it will no doubt cost more than $700. Do consider subscribing for all the latest content on the Intel, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.